Now, how do you look at this now that we have cancelled the exams? And very interestingly, this batch of standard 10th, because of the no fail policy till standard 8, hasn't appeared for any serious examination since their academic career began. So, how do you look at this, and how detrimental is this, although we are in a situation with no other option?
It is true that this batch, that means up to 8, there had been no detention. And because of pandemic during last year in 9th standard also, there was no detention. So 100% students have reached standard 10.
Hmm.
Now, of course, we cannot blame the students as such. Even during for no detention policy, we cannot blame the students.
Yeah.
We cannot blame the teachers also.
Yeah.
But certainly we can blame the system because we do not have the system in place to guide the students as well as to guide the teachers. No detention means everybody considers that it is a promotion, but it is not so. No detention is that it is a responsibility of the child to learn and reach to a particular level.
Yeah, absolutely.
Also, it is the responsibility of the teachers
Yeah.
to see that the child reaches a particular level. So, in the whole system, right from say first to 8, the system failed.
Yeah.
And of course, in 9th, there was no alternative because of pandemic. All students were promoted to 10th. And
Yeah.
again, in 10th, of course, it is not no detention. But I think the result will come out because it will be based on the basis of internal assessment.
Yeah.
So on the basis of preliminary examination and some weightage to 9th standard
Yeah.
examination performance. So on the basis of this, the result will be declared. We can say the mark list will be issued rather than declaring
Rather
result.
declaring the result. Yeah, absolutely.